Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Driven Wild. Today we are talking about he could have walked across the street and got his own meal. Doordash driver films shortest delivery ever after customer orders from McDonald's across the street. So in the gig economy, there are a lot of orders that have been really good for gig workers. Doesn't matter who they are, what they stand for. And that is the short distance delivery. This time we got the shortest delivery ever from across the street from a McDonald's. I know that we covered something similar with a woman from Olive Garden, but this time we got a fast food delivery. So with that said, I want to go over what is being said in this article, how it actually is for gig workers and customers and everything in between. So with that said, let's get started. A DoorDash driver expressed shock after a customer placing an order from the McDonald's location across the street from their house. TikTok user 1222free, who says he's a driver for DoorDash, posted a video of the delivery. I'm gonna leave his TikTok as well as his profile in the description so you can develop your own opinions on the subject. Look at this DoorDash order I got. An order from McDonald's, he said, showing a McDonald's location, and the dude lives right across the street right here. He shifted the camera to show the customer's house with multiple cars parked in the driveway where his own car is. Oh, that's actually kind of smart. You're just parking it at the customer's house so that way you don't have to waste the gas to actually go in the restaurant and bring it there. That's smart. He questioned why the customer didn't walk across the street to pick up his own meal and called it the shortest DoorDash trip ever. However, he noted the customer tipped well. He tipped me $10 though, so good looking out whoever you are, he captioned the video. There's a couple of different reasons why someone would do this. If it's during the day, I would assume that the person is working from home and they basically need to have things ordered in because they got a lot of work to do or something like that. It could be a number of things. Does it mean that it's a waste of money? To some, people could see that, but I don't really have an answer for you. What would have made it even faster is if it was a contactless delivery, so you just pick it up, drop it off, take the picture, disappear, you know what I mean? The video has garnered over 52,000 views as of January, with viewers proposing reasons why the customer couldn't walk across the street to pick up his own food. Things you do for content, huh? Maybe they're disabled or can't leave their home due to sleeping kids, or maybe they just don't want to walk, one suggested. Okay, the first two are absolutely viable, and the last one, I mean, it is a business for convenience. At least he tipped well. That customer has a better understanding of how the business works than the large majority of people on DoorDash who choose not to tip because they don't want to pay the extra tip. Maybe he works from home and can't leave that long. I used to order my wife food when she worked from home, another said. It's a good point. It may not actually be for him either. It could be ordered for them. He looked at that line and was like, nah, I'm good. Haha, third joke. Oh, that's another good point. I can't go through the drive-thru or go inside, so I'll send a DoorDash driver to get it for me. Other suggestions range from the customer placing an order on behalf of their kids while away from their home, or that they work from home and can't leave work unattended for too long. As 1222free noted in a comment when responding to a viewer, maybe we'll never know. One of the main benefits of using a service like DoorDash is convenience, and many customers, like at 1222frees, seem not to mind paying a premium for it. I mean, that's true. It's a luxury service for a reason, and it doesn't matter why they want the order delivered as long as they're willing to pay for it. Danny Lee told the Daily Dot he's based out of Independence, Oregon, and has received a lot of negativity from viewers since the video went viral. I guess maybe because it struck a nerve with people because they probably felt the person was sick, had COVID, was disabled, etc. Okay, first off, it is not wrong to want to make a TikTok talking about an experience you had. There's nothing wrong with that. Yeah, the guy could have been sick. That's one of the many reasons it could be. Why are you downing a guy for talking talking about something like this. In fact, he was saying it was a good thing. He was excited about it. This again goes back to the crabs in a bucket mentality, man. The moment you try to step out of the bucket, the crabs pull you down and try to rip you apart. Proud members of the hater brigade, man. Looking back, he said he believes what he said was inconsiderate and that he shouldn't have said it, since the content creator was nearly 8,000 followers, spent most of his life incarcerated, and all of this is new to him. There was nothing inconsiderate about it. Yeah, it was a short delivery. What is the problem with that? I wouldn't have even apologized. If they got a problem, eat me. So I've spent more of my life locked up than free, and I'm constantly tripping out over things other people might look at as normal, such as ordering DoorDash from a McDonald's that's right across the street, he shared. Okay, first off, the fact that you were locked up, I'm sorry to hear that. I hope that you're able to ease back into society with relative ease and that you can overcome that, because honestly, the way people look at convicts these days is understandable to a certain degree and at other times pretty messed up. But there's nothing wrong with feeling the way you just felt. You made a TikTok about something you thought was interesting. There are so many people who say worse things online and get away with it and don't apologize. So you did fine, in my opinion. This is my opinion. It's worth what you pay for it. None of you pay me. There you go. You ended up getting a quality order from a quality customer that needed a relative amount of convenience for themselves. With that came the McDonald's order going across the street. There's nothing wrong with wanting to just make a TikTok about it, talking about either how excited you are or how crazy it seems to you. The fact that you were being hated on for it is, in my opinion, irresponsible of those viewers, but honestly, I understand why you apologized, but don't feel a need to apologize for everything. There just could be a lot of different reasons for somebody to want to have an order delivered across the street. Some of it could be illness, some of it could be disability, maybe they're just tied up, maybe they're not even the ones who made the order, but they placed the order on someone else's behalf, and they just didn't mark it as a gift. It doesn't matter. The customer used the service exactly how people are supposed to use it. They wanted the convenience of having an order delivered to where they don't have to place the order themselves outside of the app. They just come to the door, get their food, and that's it. It doesn't matter the distance, but that being said, like, some people can criticize how short the delivery was. It's just unusual. All in all, I think that this was a cool experience for you to have, and I hope that you get more deliveries like that, because they certainly are absolutely lucrative. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. As always, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace!